Hi, another thing I want to show us quickly is the CSS Cusor. If you look at default browser, if you look at it, you will see there is a normal pointer. This is pointer. This arrow-like thing moving on the screen. If you look at it, it changes when you're trying to select a text, but when you're looking at it, it changes to an arrow. So you can decide to change it to any format. You can decide to change it to your own. I don't usually do that because I want to keep user experience normal, but it's important that I teach you about it. Okay. Now to do that, I'm going to go ahead and remove this so that we don't have conflicting styles for two paragraphs. And so to do that, you use the keyword called cursor. Now, I already added this cursor move. We're going to change it to several types. Now look at this. Let me put this here. Here I'm going to put another one. I'm going to say cursor. I'm going to say cursor should be help. Okay. Let's see. So when it comes here, you see it changes. This is the arrow. But when it comes here, it changes to something that shows like you want to drag it. Okay? Did you notice that? Now let's go here. You see it changes to the arrow with the question mark that says you want to help. And so that this one is like help. And that's because we added the help cursor. And so I'm going to go ahead and change this to progress. I'm going to change this to crosshair. Okay. Now let's see. This is progress. You see, it changes like with the rotating symbol. Like let me quickly turn on my phone. It changes like you want to, something is processing. Now let's take it to the other one. You see this one we put it at a crosshair. So you see it changes the arrow. So you can actually change several ones. So there are others. There is the pointer. The pointer is the one that changes to hand. Let me change this to pointer. So you see, it will change like the hand. Are you noticing that? So there is the help, there is the pointer, there is the text. There is the text. The text is the normal one that does as if you want to select an element. Then there is the weight, there is the help, there is the progress, there is the move, there is the URL. There is a lot of them. Let's see what this context means. I don't think it's one of it. But you can explore a lot of them and practice them. Okay. And you can also use a default image. Let's say you want to have an image. You can go ahead and use that. All you just need to do is to say cursor. Then you do the URL thing and select your image. Okay. I don't think I have this image here. Let me see. And so, but you can actually get an image and choose the location of your image. And so, I don't think I have the image. And that's it about CSS Cusor. In the next class, I'm going to teach you CSS Overflow. Okay. See you.